In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Grammarly extension in Chrome. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants their writing to be top-notch, Grammarly is a powerful tool to help you enhance your writing skills effortlessly. Let's dive into how you can set this up in your Chrome browser. First, ensure you're logged into your Grammarly account. This will take you to the main Grammarly document page, where an array of tools awaits you. However, our focus today is setting up the Chrome extension. Once on this page, navigate to the Apps section. You might find it surrounded by other features, but don't worry. Once you get familiar with the layout, it's quite easy to spot. In the Apps section, you'll see a variety of Grammarly products. The one you're looking for is Grammarly for Chrome. Click on it to head to the installation page, where a button labeled Install will be waiting for you. Clicking Install might seem like just a simple action, but it's a significant step towards simplifying your writing process. Once you do that, you'll be prompted to add Grammarly to Chrome. Clicking this option integrates Grammarly directly into your Chrome browser, preparing it to assist you with your writing no matter where you choose to do it online. After that, a pop-up will appear, asking you to add the extension. This step is crucial because it fully activates the Grammarly extension within your Chrome browser. To make sure you can easily access it whenever you need, you should pin the Grammarly extension to your browser toolbar. Simply click on the puzzle-shaped extensions icon you'll see on the Chrome toolbar. Hover over to the Grammarly option and click on the pin icon next to it. This action ensures that Grammarly is always just a click away, whenever you require writing assistance. Now let's see Grammarly in action. Open up a document or any text field on a web page. Click on the Grammarly extension icon, which you pinned earlier. As you start typing, you'll begin to see Grammarly's suggestions appearing instantly. These suggestions can range from correcting grammar and syntax to offering stylistic improvements. Additionally, Grammarly isn't just about correction. It's also about idea generation. By diving into the Insights feature, you'll receive detailed feedback on the clarity, engagement, and delivery of your writing. This way, you're not just fixing errors, you're actively enhancing your writing prowess over time. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully set up Grammarly on your Chrome browser. Dive into its features and watch your writing improve in leaps and bounds. Enjoy the newfound confidence and ease that Grammarly brings to your writing endeavors. Happy writing!